Okay, yay. Everything's copacetic. My husband used to say that. Now I'm going to build the box. It goes on the sides, comes down. And it'll have a front on it. I number my circuits, so I'll show you in a minute. See if I still got that little tester in here. Yeah. Okay, good. Back up. I took a picture of it, but I didn't get it on video, so there you go. Correct. Hang on, hold on for a minute. Okay. And there's the panel. And this is the one right here, number 8. I'll write it on there. Good job, Maggie. Now, on to the next project.